what's bad is the headlights on camera are twice as good as they are actually in person. I can only see about 40 to 50 feet ahead of the car safely while I'm driving. This is with just the headlights on, and if I turn the high beams on, there is no change whatsoever in viewing ability. And here's with the fog lights on. And the fog lights actually work better than the normal headlights. But I can't drive with just fog lights on. So that's why we are going to swap out these HID headlights for halogen ones. How's it going, everyone? Today we are going to do a halogen headlight conversion on my 2004 Toyota Prius. It has the HID bulbs from the factory, which suck, and we're gonna go back to the halogen bulbs. I had an 06, and we had halogen bulbs in it, and they were fantastic. So let's get this one swapped over. I'll show you guys what to do. All right, first of all, you're gonna wanna open your hood to get access to everything. You're gonna wanna loosen your bumper cover up. You got a pin there, and a pin there. And you also need to take out the hood stop bumper things there. This car was in an accident, so a lot of this stuff is kind of messed up already, as in this cover here that sits down there is already loose. That also needs to come off. And you have to get access to the 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt here, and there's going to be one down here under this bumper cover. All right, so we got the headlight out of the Prius. This is the HID one from the car, driver's side. There are two harnesses. You got the black harness and you got the white harness. What you need to do is you need to snip the ends off because these cars are wired for the connections down under here. And what we did is we hooked both. We got a universal kit for the H3 style bulbs, or sorry, 9003 bulbs. We hooked both the grounds together on here. We took the red positive wire from the black harness and hooked it into there for the low beam, and the blue into the red wire off of the white harness, which is down here in the cover. That gives us our high and low beams, and everything is functioning. What I'm going to do is we'll get this plugged into the new headlight, and we will put the harness, or put the whole new housing in here because the housings are different, and test it out. All right, so my camera decided to stop recording when I put the headlights back in the car, so we lost all that. But here is the result of the halogen bulbs on the Prius. These are just the headlights on low, and here is with the fog lights on and the brights. It is a world of difference in here, and we only used standard halogen bulbs, nothing crazy. So yeah, you can see the difference we have from the horrible HID factory bulbs to these halogens. Definitely should have done this a long time ago, but I didn't, and I'm finally glad that I did. It's going to definitely help driving to work in the morning with the deer and things like that. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.